In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can find unlimited clients for your drop servicing. So this will be quick tutorial for you guys step by step. So let's get started. So this method, I have been using this method. It's really working for me. I got a lot of clients just from Twitter. Okay, yes, it's just from Twitter. So what you need to do guys is you just need to go to Google, search for Twitter, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do is you just need to click over here on the search, and let's say for example you are selling logo design service as for drop servicing. Search for I need logo, scroll down. You should find a lot of people here are searching for logo. I need new logo for my YouTube. As you can see, this person just posted this tweet. It's just a few minutes. As you can see, I can click over here on reply and they will write professional message to this person. I will, for example, if you are looking for logo designer, I have 5 years of experience in graphic and design, and they can help you and they can make this logo fast. And yes, you can write a message like this, for example, and click on send. And this person, if he is still looking for a logo for his YouTube channel, he will get back to you, and you can go to like Fiverr or Upwork. You can find people who will make logo for YouTube just for $5. And for example, you can ask this person for $25 or like, and you can get $20, and you can go to Fiverr, pay just $5 for logo for YouTube, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. We just need to write. You just need to know how you can talk with those people. Okay, you just need to explain to them your service very good. Okay, if you explain your service good, they will buy this service from you, and you will go to Fiverr. You will buy this service for just $5 or even $10, and you will keep the profit for yourself. It's really easy and simple. You can find unlimited clients every day. If you go to Twitter and you search for I need logo, you can find so a lot of people are searching for I need logo, as you can see over here. Okay, I need new logo and banner. This person just posted this post today, as you can see. Okay, so that's how we can find a limited client for drop servicing. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. See you in my next video.